What should I do if my TV doesn't have built-in Bluetooth capability?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue. What to do if your TV doesn't have built-in Bluetooth capability. But don't worry. We're here to help you enhance your viewing and listening experience. Let's dive right in.
Why would I need Bluetooth for my TV?
The main reason you might want Bluetooth for your TV is to connect wireless devices to it. This can include headphones for private listening, speakers for enhanced sound quality, or other devices like keyboards or gaming controllers. With Bluetooth, you can enjoy a clutter-free entertainment experience, no more cable mess.
So, my TV doesn't have Bluetooth. What now?
If your TV doesn't come with built-in Bluetooth, don't despair. There are ways to add it. One of the simplest and most effective methods is by using a Bluetooth transmitter or adapter. These are devices that plug into your TV and broadcast a Bluetooth signal that your devices can connect to.
How do I install a Bluetooth transmitter?
Here are the steps to install a Bluetooth transmitter. 1. Purchase a Bluetooth transmitter. Make sure it's compatible with your TV and the device you wish to connect. 2. Plug the transmitter into your TV. Most transmitters will connect to your TV's audio output jack. 3. Power on the transmitter. You might need to charge it first, depending on the model. 4. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to pair the transmitter with your Bluetooth device. Usually, you will need to put both the transmitter and your Bluetooth device in pairing mode.
Are there any other options?
Yes, there are. Another option is to use certain streaming devices or media hubs that have built-in Bluetooth. This could be devices like an Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, or certain Roku models. If you already own or plan to purchase one of these, you can connect your Bluetooth devices directly to the streaming device instead. So, there you have it. Just because your TV didn't come with Bluetooth, it doesn't mean you can't enjoy the benefits of wireless connectivity. With a Bluetooth transmitter or a streaming device, you can connect all your favorite Bluetooth devices to your TV and improve your viewing and listening experience. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, not harder. Stay tech-savvy and enjoy your enhanced TV experience.